So breaking news guys, the Jamaicans qualified for the final in the 4x400 meter indoor championship in Glasgow. They were listed among the 6 countries that would go to the final, which contains a list of Great Britain, Jamaica, Netherlands and the United States of America, Belgium and Ireland. Now Jamaica they give in their best and they were able to come out with a season best of 3 minutes 27 seconds point 35, but it actually turned out to be a sad outcome. Now I will be sharing the sad news that happened to Jamaica's 4x400 meter team in the final relay. Now this is the result of the final relay. Now Netherlands were the winners of the 4x400 meter race in the indoor Glasgow championship, winning ahead of the United States of America in second position, Great Britain in third position and Belgium in fourth, while Ireland were in fifth position. Now as you can see, Jamaicans were last position in D and F, which means probably they had an issue landing the baton. And in case you don't know, this girl you're seeing on the screen, Anderson, collapses during the race in the Jamaican team in the 4x400 meter. It was definitely a sad outcome from the Jamaicans. Let me know what you think.